So GoPro Hero 11 Black is finally here and I'm so super excited because this package just arrived before my flight to Thailand. So in this video guys, I'm going to do the quick unboxing of this camera, show you how to set it up and briefly talk about all of its key functions. Now without further ado, let's proceed with the unboxing. Now, let me show you how to set it up. Now, we have to update our camera before we can use it, so let's connect it to the GoPro app. Okay, so what's exactly new about GoPro Hero 11 Black? Well, there are a couple of interesting features to talk about. GoPro Hero 11 Black comes with Easy Mode. This so-called Easy Mode doesn't allow you to change specific settings in ProTune, but it tries to keep things simple. It comes with a couple of pre-designed settings, so if you want to record a video with normal speed or perhaps slow motion or ultra slow motion, you can choose from these. I'm pretty sure that if you are new to GoPro or video shooting in general, this new Easy Mode is gonna be something quite interesting for you to try out. GoPro Hero 11 Black is almost identical to GoPro 10 and Hero 9 Black, so it's fully compatible with all the accessories that you got for this camera. If you are thinking about whether you can use it with, for example, dive housing, media mode or max lens mode, it's gonna be fully compatible. And obviously, if you have any other GoPro accessories with traditional GoPro fingers, it's gonna be compatible as well. Now, there are a couple of other quite interesting features that I would love to talk about, such as taller 8x7 sensor, Hypersmooth 5.0 with 360 degrees horizon lock, new field of view called Hyperview, which is gonna be amazing if you love recording POV shots. We also get 10-bit color for video and 27 megapixel photos. And honestly, there are a couple of other great features that I would really love to talk about in this video. I really need to test it out, collect some samples for you guys, and then I can talk about it in details. So please stay tuned as I'm going to work on that video. Also, if you have some particular questions regarding GoPro Hero 11 Black, don't hesitate to ask, as I'm going to give this camera a hard time, testing it in and out, comparing it to GoPro Hero 10, Hero 9 Black, so feel free to ask. Alright guys, so I really hope that you found some value in today's video and you liked it. And if you did, then all I can ask you is to give this video a thumb up and subscribe. This way you help me grow this channel even further. Thank you.